The grand entrance here, where all sides are accessible, rooms to the left and right, ahead being the waterfront, spa, gym, and pool, off to the left, and restaurants and lounges to the right. There's ample, colorful, and comfortable seating, and during peak times, every last one of these seats are filled, typically twice a day. There's a market available for quick takeaway snacks and drinks. Reception is off to the left, and it felt like there was never enough people working, resulting in long waits. The hotel, where the spa, pool, and gym was pretty impressive. It continued the theme of ample seating. I enjoyed the clean decor and unique seating areas. And this gorgeous mirror wall, great for a photo shoot. Past the reception area, the gym is on the right, and a ping pong table and lackluster juice bar. Not what I expected when I saw the sign. This gym was pretty impressive as well. I was shocked by the amount and variety of equipment available. As I've bounced around this side of the world, this has been the best to date. So if sticking with your workout regimen is important, this hotel will not disappoint. Another high point for me was this pool, accessible from the gym, outside, and inside corridor. Had a designated lap lane, which I loved, individual 2-seat cabanas, even though indoors. Past the pool is the spa. I wasn't very impressed with the service or experience. I arrived early, waited until past my appointment time, and they didn't even extend for the lost time due to their fault. There's a handful of flower-themed rooms and a lackluster relaxation lounge. Only served fluids, one type of tea, and water in a flimsy paper cup. Functionally, it's nice you can move between the two sections of the hotel without backtracking through the lobby. This particular night, there was a function going on. Breakfast is served daily in the Greenhouse restaurant, buffet style, of course. They have everything from hot to cold goods, giving you a variety each morning based on your mood. Egg station available as well. Expect to have a line, as each time I've gone, it was a line and only one person typically making the request. I was a tad surprised to see candy on the menu. Pastry room, as I dubbed it, had an abundance of options here for whatever you desired. Fluids were also in abundance, whatever you wanted, hot or cold, dairy or non-dairy. Outside, you have the White City Lounge. Service I encountered at White City was great. I felt special. They remembered my daily coffee order, and I came about every day. These cute outing cabanas. Access into the lounge. And look at that view. You transition into the green lounge. Have a bar out. They have 2 sets of terrace. They even have a small stage set up for me. And a smaller bar outside. Then you transition into the Black City Lounge. Bend only during the evening time. The vibe inside is bomb. The music is great. And as the name implies, Black City, everything inside is black. Great outdoor seating with the variety of seating types, benches. That's the entrance. Another side of the club. From here, you can walk straight out into the city and the boardwalk. For more tips, tricks, reviews, and hacks, make sure to follow and subscribe on your social media platform of choice.